And here is the geography/distribution of the oak woodlands. There have been changes to the ecosystem due to fires frequently happening and tons of harvesting/disturbing of its resources. Oak woodlands may have European origin. And here is some of the climate and geology of the oak woodlands. The soils come in varieties but are often shallow soils within the flat and steep slopes. In the northern parts of Sierra Nevada foothills, the soils there have a volcanic origin in its material. From October to May, there is some rain and the dry seasons usually last 6 months. The dry season may last longer due to multiple droughts. And here's the continuation. Annual plants can grow faster during the warmer parts of the season, but not so much of the cooler season. It's usually in effect late winter or in the early spring seasons. Climate change does affect these areas, affecting stuff like vegetation. Fires also cause serious damage for the oak woodlands. The fire cycles are between 20 to 60%, and droughts appear more often with each passing year. And now I'm going to be talking about the plant composition. Major trees include coast live oak, blue oak, and toyon. Oak trees are an important component of the ecosystem that plays a valuable role in nutrient conservation, which in turn leads to sustainability of the environment over the long term. Blue oak is a species of oak endemic to California. Oak threats include lack of regeneration due to non-native plant competition, grazing pressure and soil compaction, as well as diseases such as sudden oak death syndrome. The oak woodlands understory is covered by annual grasses and European origin forbs, soft chest brome, ribgut brome, and wild oats are the most abundant grasses in oak woodland foothills, and filary is the most prevalent forb. So now I'm going to be talking about the mammal and bird population. Species in the oak woodlands include the California quail, beachy ground squirrels, and Bodo pocket gophers. The California quail will place their nest against a piece of downed wood to offer more camouflage and greater protection from nest predators. Beachy ground squirrels eat nuts and acorns from neighboring oak trees. The island scrub jay is endemic to Southern California oak woodlands. The western bluebird is being threatened by the number of oak trees that are being threatened, making them lose a lot of food resources. So now I'm moving on to the reptiles and insects. Some of them include the Pacific rattlesnake, western fence lizards, filbert weevils, and an animal that is endangered are birds, but a specific species is the western bluebird. Due to oak woods being threatened, that will cause less food supply and having no place to build their nest. The current status of the California oak woodland is that it's somewhat fragmented. In around 30 years, 750,000 acres of oak woodland will be threatened. Other factors that are affecting the oak woodlands are grazing pressure, soil compaction, and diseases. The most common disease is oak death syndrome. Agencies preserving or protecting oak woodlands. The Oak Woodland Conservation Act of 2001 gave $10 million to protect the oak woodlands. It gives funding to landowners, organizations, and founding to conserve the California oak woods. The Napa County Voluntary Act Woodland Management Plan. Its purpose is to bring nonprofit agencies to the Napa County oak woodlands and identify threats, make strategies, and give landowners and agencies nonprofit money to help protect the oak woodlands. Thank you.